The Holden Commodore SV6 is a high-performance car produced by the Australian automotive manufacturer Holden. It is a popular model that comes in various versions including the VF, VE, and VZ. In terms of design, the Commodore SV6 features an aggressive and sporty exterior, with sleek lines and a muscular stance. It also comes equipped with alloy wheels and distinctive styling elements, such as a rear spoiler and sports body kit. The SV6 is available in different body types such as the 5-door station wagon, 2-door coupe utility, and 4-door sedan, catering to a wide range of drivers' preferences. One notable feature of the SV6 is its auto park function, which assists drivers in parallel or perpendicular parking by automatically steering the vehicle into a parking space. This feature helps make parking in tight spaces much easier and is a convenient addition for city driving. Inside the cabin, the SV6 offers a comfortable and spacious interior. It comes equipped with modern features and technologies, including a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, rear-view camera, and a head-up display as optional. In terms of performance, the SV6 comes equipped with a powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. Drivers have the option of choosing between a 6-speed manual transmission or a 5-speed automatic transmission, allowing for a personalized driving experience. In terms of safety, the SV6 is equipped with advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, and ABS brakes. Some models also feature additional driver assistance systems, such as forward and rear collision warning system, blind spot monitor, and lane departure warning system. Overall, the Holden Commodore SV6 is a versatile and reliable vehicle that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and convenience for drivers looking for a practical and stylish car with a touch of Australian flair.